What's up guys, IrwinTech here, back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Robux for free in 2022. You all might think this is a scam and one of those, scam videos on YouTube, but I promise it's not. This is a safe, legal method, and I'm going to be showing you guys this today. For those who are wondering, we're going to be using Microsoft Rewards for this tutorial. It basically lets you earn coins by searching with their search engine, and you can redeem rewards super quick and easy. I've already gotten 200 Robux from this in the span of 2 days. Before we start today's tutorial, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can hit 70,000 subscribers. Also, make sure to go follow my Twitter, linked in the description below. I post YouTube updates, random stuff, and if you're interested, the link never leaves the description below. You know what else is in the description below? My Discord invite, so make sure to join. You can chat with me and the other members, contribute to YouTube videos, and so much more, so make sure to join. I'm not going to waste any more of your guys' time. Let's just get straight into the video. Hey guys, here are all the membership shoutouts for today's video. Make sure to go subscribe to their channels, and let's just get back to the video. Also, big thank you to our Discord boosters. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, please go to this website, which will be linked in the description below. To get free Robux and many other things, you're going to be using Microsoft Rewards in this tutorial. You basically want to click this join now button here, then sign in or create a Microsoft account. Since I already have one, I'm going to sign in. After signing in on this site, what you want to do is open a new tab and search Microsoft Rewards Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link, click add to Chrome, click add extension. You can click on the extensions and pin it, and it makes your default browser Microsoft Bing. That's the way to earn points. So you see in the top right up here, it'll show your points, and then this little trophy thing here. So if I were to Google something, let's just say YouTube videos, we can see the points just went up from 255 to 260, and you get a certain amount of points every time you do a Google search, and there's a maximum amount of points you can get in a day. And then once you have enough points, you can go to the Microsoft Rewards website, go to the redeem tab, then you search Roblox, and then you can get a Roblox digital code gift card. You can get 100, 200, 400, 800, 1000, and you can set goals to get points. You can get way more than Robux with this. You can get other stuff too, such as gift cards, and I think it's pretty cool. I know there are a lot of scams on YouTube about this, but this is the only working good method. I've used this to get 200 Robux so far on my account, and I think you guys would like this. You can use this on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, literally any browser. You might even be able to do it on mobile as well, using Safari or something like that, or the Microsoft Edge app. So yeah guys, this is how to get free Robux in 2022, the non-scam legitimate working method. Enjoy. Thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below I subscribed and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways guys, really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.